Jonathan is a hard worker. He's got a great personality. All of his friends kind of love him, and just the excitement and the energy he brings to class each day and to our school. I'm very proud of Jonathan and his accomplishment for working at Splash Country. Jonathan is setting a great example for his classmates, being able to go get a job and be excited about going to work.
I help people through the line. I'm a time saver, helping with their blue band and checking it through and all that. This is a time saver, a scanner. You put it on the time saver thing, and as it turns green, they're good to go. If it turns red, they might have a few more minutes.
Jonathan's very fun to talk to. We're always cracking jokes together. He's very intelligent. He's very intelligent whenever I was talking to him about working here. He seemed to pick up the rules very easily. He's very adaptive.
He is so funny, and he always is trying to make us laugh. He has a smile on his face. He interacts with guests just like no others that I've seen. You know, you tell everyone, you know, always have a good time. That's the point here. This is, like I said, our fun job. So we like to make memories worth repeating, and we just want to have our guests to have a wonderful experience. And Jonathan just does that. Guests will come by, and after we're done for the day, and they come by and they're just waving and telling him bye because they remember him from all the rides that they've come to, and they just love him.
Especially at Splash Country, we see a lot of kids who apply, and a lot of them it's their first job. So I think the Dollarwood Company is a great place to get started because we have such an entrenched culture of strong values, and we're very missional in the way we train our hosts. And that's the thing too, is when we hire you, you become a host because you're hosting our guests. And so again, that's a value. We're going to exceed our guest expectations. And as a student, getting that first job, and that's kind of where you're learning the ropes, I think it's an incredible opportunity for your growth and your leadership.
It's a nice place to work, and they help you out. I hope I get to come back next year.